November 22nd, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. And what are we going to do? We're going to make up some slaw. What I just got some classic coleslaw here. Got some good old Miracle Whip and some pepper. What we're going to do, we're going to take this container. We're going to put about half of this in that container. We're going to put some of that Miracle Whip in there and mix it up. And some black pepper. And I'll show you what that looks like. Hold on. Okay, guys, so now we've got about the half a bag of slaw down in there, and then we're going to add the pepper and the Miracle Whip. So hold on. Okay, that'll get us started. I'm going to have to stir this up, guys. I can't show that because I have no way to hold the camera, but I'll show after I'm done, and I'll show putting in the pepper. So hold on. Okay, guys, and there's the finished product. We're going to take a little bite, see what it tastes like. Good. Tangy. I like a lot of pepper in mine. Tastes excellent, guys. Anyway, that's how you can make slaw for Thanksgiving. Just a short little video. Keep your eyes open and have a good one.